Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival to all of you. Today I'll be teaching you how to make these Chinese pumpkin mochi cakes that will impress anyone for sure. It's long weekend in both Australia and Hong Kong, so it's the perfect time to make your own desserts. So let's get started. Once again, it's a very simple recipe that only requires 5 ingredients. First, we'll need half a pumpkin, which is around 1.2 kilos. We'll start with taking out the seeds. And chopping it into 4 portions so it's easier to peel off the skin later on. Please be careful when you're peeling off the skin because they're very hard. Now we'll chop them into smaller chunks. It's better to chop them into smaller pieces so they get soft quicker later. Let's steam the pumpkin for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now let's mash them like potatoes. The pieces should be very soft by now. If not, you can steam it for longer. It's normal to have all these excess water in the bowl, and all you need to do is to drain them out. So when the pumpkin looks like a puree consistency, it is ready to be transferred into a mixing bowl. Let's add in 30 grams of sugar. And then we'll add in 450 grams of glutinous rice flour little by little, making sure it's fully incorporated before adding the next. And you can start using your hands once it gets less sticky. The dough should not be sticky by this point. If it still feels sticky, feel free to add more glutinous rice flour. And we'll set that aside for now. Let's move on to our red bean paste filling. We'll roll them into balls of equal portions. Now it's time to assemble them. First, we'll grab some of the pumpkin dough and roll it into a ball. Then, press gently in the center to make room for our red bean filling. Fold in the edges and press gently and roll it back into a ball shape. There's no real technique here, it's all very simple and easy to follow. I've made half with filling and half without. If you choose to not put filling in, it'll be a lot quicker and easier. So let's press them down slightly so it doesn't take as long to be cooked. Prepare a bowl of water and a bowl of sesame seeds. We'll first dip it into the water and then into the sesame seeds and shake off any excess. Repeat the steps for all of them. And now onto our final step, frying these little mochi cakes. So we'll fry one side for a few minutes and then check if it's golden yellow color, then it's ready to be flipped. And give it another few minutes, then it should look something like this. This recipe makes around 30 of them, so definitely share these with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching again. If you liked the video and the recipe, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Bye!